Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another taste test video. It has been over a year since I have done a candy taste test video, and those happen to be one of the most popular videos on my channel. So I'm really happy that you guys like them because, I mean, hello, I get to eat yummy candy and you guys get to watch it, and hopefully it makes you hungry and want to buy these things. I am back actually with another Serbian candy taste test video. It has been over a year since I've done one of these specific ones on Serbian candy, and I've done two already and they've done really well. Well, believe it or not, I still have plenty of treats that I haven't had. So let's go ahead and get started and eat these sweets. Okay, so I went to the local grocery store in Maxi and got these candies. Candies and snacks, you know, sweet stuff. I'm going to get so much flack for not trying some of these, but you know, there's only so much candy you can eat in a day, you know? First things first, I have had these, okay? And I've even had the ice cream of these, but I just want to show you guys. This is a cookie biscuit called Plasma. I got the mini one because I don't need a full box of chocolates and sweets in my house. Okay guys, I'm trying to get fit for summer. All right, so we have Plasma, and it's a really good cookie. It's really plain, but it's got like a vanilla flavor. I don't know what it reminds me of. Kind of like vanilla wafers, for those of you who are familiar with that, but it's better than that. I think it would taste really good with some coffee, some tea. Serbians love Plasma. Anytime I'm in the grocery store, every single person has Plasma in their cart. Apparently there's some minerals in here. So anyways, I'm going to taste it, even though I've had it, and show you. But these are the mini ones. It's perfect. Perfect for travel, right? So, These are so good. And like I said, I've had the ice cream version of these, and it just blew my mind. But these are so good. I wish we had these in the States. They're from the company Bambi, and they're just so good. So good. I'm gonna have another one. Next is another very popular Serbian treat, and it's the honey heart. Did I get the right one? Oh, this is the English. It means honey heart, but back here, Medino Srce, which I guess Srce means heart, and I know med means honey, so honey heart. And it's a chocolate covered, I guess, maybe it has like a nougat in it that tastes like honey, but this is also a very popular Serbian candy. And I think I'm gonna like it. I mean, Serbian honey is so good, it's so sweet, and let's just go ahead and try it. Ooh, oh my god, I wasn't expecting it. These things are really big. And it's dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. It looks like it's like a cookie. So maybe a honey cookie or honey in the middle. Let's see. It's soft. Yeah, it's a soft cookie or cake. Okay, do you see the inside of that? Wow. So the inside is honey, and then around it is like a soft cake, cookie kind of thing, and it's covered with dark chocolate. The honey is really sweet, and this is a really good snack. Oh my god. I really like that. Next is the Choco orange flavored, okay, let's see if I can say this right now. I'm calling it smoky, okay? Disclaimer, this is how it would be pronounced in English, smoky, but it's smoky, something like that, right? Tell me if I'm right, am I wrong? Smoky, is it smoky? But I thought these were going, so this is a peanut butter kind of crunchy snack, and I thought it was going to be savory at first. I don't know why. And later I found out that these were peanut butter flavor, and they were really good. Apparently you're supposed to take a handful and just eat it in your mouth. Don't just eat one. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, I'm learning from my past. So this is a chocolate orange flavored smoky. God, that's a lot. I'll take like 5. Ready? You see that? Do you see that? Oh, shh. Okay, so I've got like 5 there. You see that? Okay, ready? is good, but it's kind of underwhelming. Like, I thought I was gonna be like, wow, there's so much flavor, but it's very like, okay, I'm eating one. It's just very, very basic for a chocolate orange. It's okay. It's good, but it's just okay. So this is the Serbian chocolate bar, and it's just regular milk chocolate. Najlepsze želje. Oh god. You guys, I'm not good at this. Okay. And this is a candy by Stark. So I took off a piece. It just looks like your standard chocolate. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. It's really good. I'm more of a dark chocolate person, but that is good chocolate. I mean, hands down, chocolate in Europe is far better than chocolate in America. I don't know what the hell Americans are doing with their chocolate. Hershey's isn't cutting it. This is chocolate. Okay, next is this little thing, and it is pretzel sticks with peanut butter in it. Okay, pretzels are one of my favorite foods because they're salty, they're crunchy, and I love peanut butter, so this should be tasty. So it just looks like this. You can definitely see the peanut butter in the middle. You guys can see the peanut butter in the middle. Yeah. Okay, here we go. I mean, actually, it's okay. It's got a very subtle peanut butter taste, I'll say that. I wish there was more. It's just kind of, the pretzel isn't good. It needs more salt. It needs more flavor. And the peanut butter isn't very good either. It's okay. It's not bad, it's just okay. I was told that I should try this. It's called Take, or is it called Take or is it Take? I don't know. But it reminds me of a Snickers. I mean, it's got Kikiriki, which is peanut butter, and Caramella, which is caramel. So, and it looks like there's a nougat and chocolate. This is probably the Serbian version of a Snickers, but it looks better. It looks better than Snickers, so we'll see. It's not better than Snickers. There's something really odd about, I think it's this nougat part. It's got like a fruity sweetness to it, and I'm not about that. It's okay. I'm not really a fan of it. It's not something I would grab. I don't really grab the Snickers anyways, but I think Snickers is better than that. Sorry. It's called Creme, and I got the little mini version. And as you can see, there's the cream part and then the chocolate part on one side, or the hazelnut cream and the chocolate part on one side. And you can spread it on things, eat it with a spoon, whatever you want to do. I think I'm going to use the plasma to eat it. But basically, it is the Serbian version of Nutella. So apparently it's better. I've had the Creme cookies and all sorts of that, and they're really good. How do you open this though? Hello, help me. Excuse me, how am I supposed to open this? Do I have to get up and get scissors? This is very frustrating. How do you open this? I guess you just, my finger just went through the foil, so I guess that's how we're gonna do it. Ooh, looks very creamy. Oh yeah. Are we ready for this? Are we ready? Take a little bit of the chocolate, a little bit of this. Yep. Thank you, Lord. We saved the best for last. We did the first one was one of the best, and the last one. Put these two together. A match made in Serbian candy heaven. Oh, yeah. It's chocolate and hazelnut cream. It's not as sweet as Nutella, so it's a more toned down version of it, and it's still really, really good. Nutella can be kind of sickly after a while, but this is pretty good. I'm not gonna eat this whole thing because that's cray. You guys already know what my favorite ones were. Obviously the plasma and the Euro Creme. I would say my least favorite are these pretzels with peanut butter in them, just because they're just kind of bland and didn't have punch, didn't have really a lot of flavor. The pretzels upset me. I was personally offended. Next, the smoky, not that great. I mean, the original is good. It's got more of a peanut butter flavor. Take, not that great. It has this weird fruity nougat flavor. I did really enjoy these. Really enjoyed these. I'm gonna hold on to this. So, wow. We are 3 for 3 for my American Tries Serbian candy and sweets and snacks. I think this one was really one of the best ones. If you see the other videos that I've done, I had some candies and sweets and snacks that I did not like, and I upset a few of you guys because I know that you love them so much, but I'm sorry, but this one takes the cake. I mean, I can't believe I waited so long to have plasma and Euro Creme and put them together. So obviously I think this one was a home run. If you guys like this video, leave me a comment below. Let's chat it up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm posting a lot more videos like this and a lot more travel videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. I definitely did, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.